Hello everyone, good evening. My name is陳詰繹and I major in maths. And thank you for coming and listening my presentation. I come from Group 10 and today I want to talk about the impact of global warming. Before we start, I want to show you two pictures. Polar bear is cute, right? But they are eating each other now. And why they are eating each other? Because of global warming. Global warming lets the glaciers melting and make polar bears are hard to find food, so they start to eating each other. And this is my outline. I will talk about the impact on the environment first, and then go to the impact on the animals. And third part is what should we do? Let's go to the environment first. I have three sections. First section is temperature rising, and second section is about sea level rising, and third part is about changing climate. Do you know that from 1970 to 2020, the average surface temperature on Earth raised 1 degree Celsius? It's very faster than the past 50 years. And why it raised so rapidly? It's because the carbon dioxide. We produce too much carbon dioxide. And carbon dioxide is one of greenhouse gas, and which let our Earth warmer. But if we have too much greenhouse gas, so our Earth is getting hotter. And then sea level rising, because our Earth is getting hotter, so the glaciers are melting. Glaciers become water, and water comes to the sea, so the sea level rising. And if sea level rising and plus the higher temperature, so more and more typhoon and hurricanes will happen. And if more and more typhoon and hurricanes happen, then flooding will happen frequently in low-lying area, especially in Tuvalu. This is Tuvalu. In the picture, we can see the land is all blue. Okay, and the extreme climate about the global warming. First is Australia brush fire. It's a big issue in the beginning of this year, right? It burned about 1 or 2 months. I don't know it's double that. Yeah. And the flood in South Asia or some islands on Pacific, like Tuvalu or Indonesia. And the India drought, because the hot weather, so the India has a drought. And heat wave around the world. It especially happen in Europe. Europe has I think is the highest record in temperature in summer, right? It has very serious. And impact on animals. I will talk about habitat destruction and infectious disease. I will talk about infectious disease first. Infectious disease related to global warming. One example is dengue fever, and another example is Zika virus infection. Dengue fever is famous in Taiwan and famous in NCKU too. In Chinese name is 登革热. And why dengue fever related to global warming? Because it's spread by the mosquitoes, and mosquito likes hot weather. And if global warming and the temperature get higher, so mosquito can spread the virus to more places, and more people may get this disease. And habitat destruction. One is polar bear. We have seen in the beginning, right? They don't look. And why? Because of glaciers are melting, so polar bears have less habitat to live, and they have less food to find, so they may extinct one day. And another example is about coral in controversy. because the temperature is getting higher and the sea's temperature is getting higher too. So coral may bleaching. What is coral bleaching mean? In other words, I think it's coral dye. Chinese name is 珊瑚白化. Yes, and 珊瑚, if coral bleach, it may affect the life in coral reef like Nemo, or some animals like orange spotfile fish. This is a fish which eats the coral. If coral bleach, so they don't have food, they may extinct. And third part, I will talk about the solution and what should we do to save our world. First is 5R rules: refuse, reduce, reuse, recycle, and recover. Let me give you an example. Refuse to use the plastic bags, and reduce the amount of plastic bags, and use the plastic bag twice, and recycle the plastic bag properly and not burn it, and recover, just let our earth take a break, not use it. And what else can we do? We can turn off the air conditioner, not turn it on all day long. Or take the public transportation, but I don't recommend this in nowadays because of the coronavirus. Yeah. And maybe you can close the light just like when you leave your room or you don't use it. Okay, and because of we use too much fossil fuels and produce too much carbon dioxide, so we make the global warming seriously. But if we want to reduce the amount of carbon dioxide, we must find another energy. Maybe we can use renewable energy like solar or hydro energy to have the electricity. And the conclusion, we only have the one Earth, so we need to appreciate it and protect it. Okay. And the Q&A, any question?
Why don't we just immigrate to other planets?
Oh, it's good. It's related to our question one. If we can save our world, what can we do to keep our life? My answer is settle to the Mars.
Nice.
Okay. If anyone have any idea? Okay. And can the Earth become like the past? I think it's not, because Earth is still changing. So if you like to become its past, it's impossible. Okay. And this is my presentation. Thanks for listening.